When you find those perfect things that you love, you're always nervous about putting them into the washing machine.
Look at the difference between these sweaters. Woolite won't cause stretching. See? The fibers stay strong.
You can put Woolite right into your washing machine with all your clothes and trust that they're going to come out looking really good. Woolite keeps your clothes looking like new.
Don't take a chance. Trust Woolite. Now there's a Woolite for every wash load. Try Woolite Dark. It won't cause fading. And Woolite for all colors. It helps prevent color bleeding effects.